In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add link in card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clickable button that takes visitors wherever you want, whether that's a website, a portfolio, a calendar, or an email link. First, head over to card.co. This is the home for creating and editing your one-page sites. From here, click Open Dashboard. If you're not signed in, log in and you'll land on your list of sites. Find the project you want to edit and open it to launch the builder. We'll assume you already have a page started. If not, any template will work for following along. Inside the builder, look for the Add button. This opens Card's element library. Choose Buttons. This adds a button element to your page and opens its settings panel on the side. You can drag the button to position it where it makes sense in your layout, but the important part is configuring how it looks and where it links. To see all the options, click the drop-down in the button settings. Card keeps the interface clean, so the drop-down reveals advanced controls you'll want for fine-tuning. Here, start by changing the button's label to something clear and action-oriented, like View Portfolio, Contact Me, or Book a Call. Short, descriptive text helps visitors know exactly what will happen when they click. Now add your link. In the URL field, paste the full address of the page you want to open. Be sure it includes the HTTPS / at the start so the link works correctly. You can also use special formats, mail to your email for an email button, tell, followed by a number for tap to call on mobile, or an internal anchor like #contact if you're linking to a section on the same page. If you see options to open the link in a new tab, enable that for external sites so visitors don't lose your page. While you're here, feel free to adjust style settings like size, color, shape, and alignment so the button stands out but still matches your design. Consistent spacing and contrast make your call to action easier to notice and click. When everything looks good, click Done to save the button's settings. Back in the builder, use Preview to test the button and make sure it leads to the right place. If the link doesn't work, double-check the URL for typos or missing HTTPS. That's it. You've added a link in Card using a button and customized it for clarity and performance. Thanks for watching and happy building.